once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed.
Gente, tudo bem com vocês? Começando mais um vídeo aqui no nosso canal. E pra você que é novo ou nova por aqui, seja muito bem-vindo, tá bom? E é isso, gente. Vocês já viram aí arrumando cama, né? Já arrumei o sofá, já tirei poeira da rack. E o vídeo vai ser esse. Eu vou organizando aqui e vou mostrando pra vocês, tá bom? Não se esqueça de se inscrever, deixar seu like e ativar o sininho de notificações, tá bom? E fica até o final. Aí, gente, eu mostrei os presentes da Laisla lá no vídeo anterior aí. Depois, no domingo, ela ganhou esses, ó. Esse vestidinho, que aí ela ganhou no domingo. Esse conjuntinho. Essa maquiagem aqui. E aqui dentro é uma pulseirinha e um colarzinho, assim. E esses patinhos, ó. Aí esses já ganhou no domingo, por isso que eu não mostrei no vídeo. E esses aqui eu comprei pra mim, ó. 2 shortinhos. Ele é assim, é lycra. Ele era R$ 50, tava por R$19,90. Eu comprei dois, ó. Esse também, os dois é lycra. Achei muito barato. R$19,90, os dois deu R$40. É isso. Bora trabalhar mais, né? Aí essas foi os presentes. Já ganhou bastante coisinha.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
gente, eu acabei aqui de organizar a casa. Aí vocês viram aí a chuva que deu, eu fiquei até sem rumo, com morro de medo. Tava só eu e o Matheus aqui dentro, né? Ficou debaixo da mesa. Ai, eu tenho muito medo, mas agora graças a Deus parou. E é isso, gente, o vídeo foi esse, tá bom? Eu espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. Fiquem todos com Deus e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!